Hey crypto enthusiast, Krishna Sharma here from Credit, and today we are diving deep into the world of Bitcoin. If you enjoy exploring the crypto universe, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thought in the comments. Now let's unravel the story of the pioneer in the crypto space, which is Bitcoin. So, today we have some amazing questions. So, first we have, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin, the decentralized cryptocurrency born in 2009, revolutionized the financial landscape created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. So, Bitcoin operates as a peer-to-peer online currency, enabling direct transaction without intermediaries. But what set Bitcoin apart? Let's dive into the core features that make Bitcoin unique. Next, we have founders and vision. Unliving the enigma, Satoshi Nakamoto, the true identity remained shrouded, but Nakamoto's vision, outlined in the 2008 white paper, birthed a groundbreaking concept. On January 3, 2009, Nakamoto mined the Guinness block, marking the beginning of the first ever cryptocurrency. Join me as we explore the origin and visionaries behind Bitcoins. So, what makes Bitcoin unique? The uniqueness of Bitcoin lies in its pioneering role. As the first cryptocurrency, it created a global community, inspiring a myriad of projects with a market capitalization surpassing $1 trillion. Bitcoin's influence Androids. So, discover the distinctive feature that set Bitcoin apart and fueled its embarking journey. Bitcoin's total supply and mining. With a capped supply of 21 million coins, Bitcoin relies on mining for creation, the reward halving. So, occurring every 210000 block, ensuring security. Satoshi Nakamoto early mining underwear and the evolution of Bitcoin's mining landscape shape. So, its intriguing narrative. Let's explore Bitcoin circulation and mining dynamics. So, security mechanism of Bitcoin. Secured by the SHA-256 algorithm, Bitcoin's robust security ensures the integrity of its blockchain. Understanding this mechanism is crucial for grasping the resilience of the network. Join me as we delve into the technological backbone that safeguard Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin is stored as a value. Bitcoin's role as a store of value has been a subject of debate. Often linked to digital gold, Bitcoin has transacted into initial purpose with Satoshi's with Satoshis as the smallest unit. Bitcoin's potential as a modern asset class unfold. Let's explore Bitcoin's evolving role in the financial landscape. So, technology upgrades, hard forks, and taproots. Bitcoin's journey includes significant technology upgrades. Hard forks and the upcoming taproots upgrade mark pivotal moments, while hard fork bringing about radical changes, taproot introduce innovative like MAST and signature. Join me as we unravel Bitcoin technology evolution. The Lightning Network, scaling transaction capacity and enabling instantaneous transfer. The Lightning Network operates as a off-chain solution. So, with bidirectional payments channels, it aims to revolutionize the speed and efficiencies of transaction. So, as we conclude our journey into the world of Bitcoin, I hope you have gained a deeper understanding of its origin, uniqueness, technology, advancement. If you found this exploration insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto content. Let me know in the comments your thoughts on Bitcoin or suggest the next cryptocurrency you will like us to explore. This is Krishna Sharma from Credit signing off.